Hello guys, yesterday on the channel I reviewed and benchmarked new stealth model Ox Alpha, and I promised an update because I tested it a bit more thoroughly, and this is a quick video update. So the problem with my initial benchmark, which placed that new model pretty low on the leaderboard with 8.9 points out of 20, the problem was that I tested it with default thinking mode in OpenCode. So when choosing the model, you can choose the variant or effort, and at that point I chose default. I honestly forgot that there is a level, and now I retested the same model in high level, max level, and also some of you pointed that Open Router may be also a different score, so I tested in OpenCode Go versus Open Router on all levels, and let me show you if there are any number change. So first thing, I assumed that if you choose default in OpenCode, the default is medium, and I think I was wrong on that. At least in this case, because look at the results of all the testing. So this was the previous medium level, and see Ox Alpha, all other levels that I tested are nearby in the same group even. This is ironically same result in the score. So I will not even publish that on my main leaderboard in public because the result doesn't really differ. What differs is the time per prompt. So my medium level that I tested was 12 minutes, and when I switched that to max were surprisingly closer to default than high, which made me thinking that the default is not medium, but actually the default is max. Again, at least in this case. And then I chose Open Router with max level, and same result, even like the ballpark of per project score is surprisingly similar. And even the instability of model, since it's a free model, is expected, was pretty similar in OpenCode and Open Router. So this is one of the run of my script which ended with 0 tests, which means that the agent did not deliver. Although OpenCode spent 3 minutes on that, usually how it looks in OpenCode is just thinking and then build with all the symbols that it ended, but the code didn't actually change. So that happened on Open Router as well multiple times. I had to restart the prompts as well. But this is the reality of free or stealth or experimental models. So yeah, overall the new Ox Alpha, which is unknown yet, doesn't impress me at all, at least in my benchmark. Again, my benchmark is just one way of evaluating the models, but at least it's evaluating the same criteria for the model. So I'm comparing apples to apples here, and Ox Alpha isn't anywhere near the top models. And you can read about my methodology here on the homepage. I published this article, my methodology and scoring formulas, and also for premium members of AI Coding Daily, I just published today my new experiment. So what if we judge not one prompt per project, but the project with 4 prompts in a row, 4 phases of the same project. So long running prompt, and I took 5 stronger models, almost top 5, and gave them the same set of prompt of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4 on the same project in the same session within the same context window. So the result of that is here, and the link will be in the description below. But what do you guys think about Ox Alpha? Did it change your plans about which model to use? Let's discuss as usual in the comments below. So yeah, short update for today. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.